Welcome to Kids English Fun Time! Let's learn farm English.
Good morning, Grandpa Coco. I am so excited to help you today. What are we gonna do on the farm first?
Good morning, Kiki. Today is a very special day because the corn is finally ready for us to harvest in the big field.
Look at this small wicker basket I found. It is the perfect size for me to carry all the golden corn we pick.
Let us walk down this dirt path together. The sun is shining, and it is a beautiful day to work as a team.
Wow, Grandpa Coco. These green corn stalks are so much taller than me. I can hardly see the very top of them now.
We have reached the middle of the field now. Stay close to me so you do not get lost among the tall green leaves. Look closely at this ear of corn, Kiki. When I peel back the green leaves, you can see the bright yellow kernels inside. We only pick the corn when the silk at the top is brown and dry. That is how we know it is sweet.
I am reaching up as high as I can to grab this big one. It is stuck very tight to the green stalk.
Do not just pull it down, Kiki. You must twist the corn quickly and then push it down toward the ground like this.
I did it, Grandpa. Look how easily the corn came off the stalk when I pulled it down like you showed me just now.
You are doing a wonderful job, Kiki. Let us fill this whole basket together so we can bring a big harvest home for dinner tonight.
Wow, this basket is getting so heavy and full of gold corn. We have picked so many pieces already, and
Now, let us carry this heavy basket over to the wooden cart. It is a bit far, so we must walk slowly and very carefully.
1, 2, 3, and lift. We are emptying all the corn into the big cart now, and it makes such a loud and funny sound.
These are the best corn cobs I have seen all year. Your help today has made this harvest much faster and much more fun for me.
I will help you push the cart, Grandpa. It is heavy, but if we push together, we can move it all the way to the tree.
Let us sit down here in the cool shade of this big oak tree. Harvesting is hard work, and we both deserve a little rest.
This water is so cold and refreshing after working in the hot sun. Thank you for bringing the canteen with us today, Grandpa Coco.
The corn grows tall because the rain gives it water and the sun gives it energy. Nature works hard just like we did today, Kiki.
Look, Grandpa Coco, we finally made it back to the house with all this heavy corn, and the sun is starting to set slowly.
This is the best part because we get to see the results of our hard work today and fill this big wooden bin. I am so proud of you for helping me today because teamwork makes the farming job much easier and it is very fun.